In this tutorial, we'll walk through step-by-step how to use AI to write descriptions for new products created on Shopify. AI algorithms can analyze data such as product names, categories, tags, and more to generate unique and accurate descriptions that are optimized for search engines and customer appeal. This can improve the overall customer experience and increase the likelihood of conversions. In this example, we'll connect OpenAI to Shopify to generate descriptions for new products. Be sure to have the Mesa app added to your Shopify store. Get started with the free plan or enjoy a 7-day free trial on any paid plan. First, create a new workflow and choose the Shopify app as your first step. Next, search for the product created step and choose this as the action which starts the workflow. Search for and then select the OpenAI app as the action for the second step. Then use the prompt action. Follow the simple instructions if you haven't added your credentials yet. Once you have, you can then personalize your AI to understand what you're asking it to do for you. In the prompt field, type, write a product description for. Then, click the button to open the Variable Selector. Choose the title variable to add it to the prompt. Next, scroll down to Max Tokens. Update this value to 500. This will cap the descriptions to 500 max characters. You can leave the rest of these fields to their default values. Click Done to continue. Let's add another step. Click the Shopify app and locate the Update Product step. Identify the product to update by choosing a custom ID from the drop-down menu. Then click the Variable Selector button and add the ID variable from the product created step. Scroll to the Body HTML field. Open the Variable Selector again. Expand the All Variables list. Then choose the text variable from the OpenAI prompt step. Click Return First Item from the prompt. Then click the Done button to close this. Next, save your workflow. Enter a name for this automation and an email address for any alerts or notifications. Lastly, turn your new automation on. That's it. Mesa also includes free onboarding, which means we can help personalize any template or set up a custom workflow for you. Visit us at getmesa.com/support to learn more. Or get Mesa from the Shopify App Store today and start automating the everyday challenges of running your Shopify store.